Welcome back to Dependable Concrete. This week we're in Easton, Pennsylvania, tackling another basement transformation. Our client asked us to remove the old basement steps, but that wasn't all. They also wanted a dust-free, bright basement with flat walls like drywall, and that's exactly what we delivered. Watch until the end to see how we transformed this space into a clean, bright, and finished basement. Prepping the walls is key to making this job last. If we don't remove dust, peeling paint, and loose debris, the cement won't stick the way it should. That can cause cracks and weak spots later on, and we don't want that. The walls in this basement were painted with a glossy white paint, so before we can apply our cement scratch coat, we've got to treat the painted walls with a sticky bonding material. That way, the cement scratch coat can bond to the paint. First things first, we cover and protect all the important stuff so it's safe from cement splatter before we begin spraying cement onto the walls. When doing any type of cement work, using the correct ratio of materials is critical. Our mix ratio is always kept consistent. If the ratio is off, too much cement or too much sand, the result is weakened bonding, cracking, or premature failure of the walls. We are now preparing to spray the walls. We pump the cement into the basement, and on this job we threaded our hoses through the dryer vent. Dependable uses state-of-the-art equipment to get the job done efficiently. While most companies still rely on hand troweling cement, our mortar spraying technique covers large areas fast and seals tight spots with ease. The result? A quicker turnaround and a stronger seal, making our process clearly superior. Our spraying technique makes it easy to reach those tough spots, like behind pipes, around the water heater, and between the floor joists. This ensures every inch of the wall gets fully covered with cement. We've finished spraying the walls, and now it's time to clean out the hoses, spray gun, and machine. Keeping our equipment clean ensures everything runs smoothly and is ready to go for the next job. So far, we've treated the glossy painted walls with a sticky bonding coat, then applied 2 coats of cement to build strength and flatten the surface. Now, we're troweling the final coat to prep for the sponge finish, the step that gives the walls that smooth, clean look our clients love. The cement has now dried just enough for us to begin the sponging and smoothing phase. This is the final step in flattening the walls, and it's where we really bring everything together, giving the surface that crisp, drywall-like finish our clients love. This step really makes a difference. It evens out any small trowel marks and leaves the surface smooth and consistent, just like drywall. Taking the time to do this right gives the paint a perfect surface to bond to, helping it go on evenly and last longer. Once the walls are fully dry, we'll move on to spraying 2 coats of bright white waterproofing paint to really bring this basement to life. The walls have cured for several days with the help of a commercial dehumidifier, and now they're completely dry and ready for paint. We're applying 2 coats of Sherwin-Williams waterproofing paint. This high-quality paint not only brightens up the basement, but also adds an extra layer of protection against moisture and dust. We also paint the pipes that run along the walls, helping them blend right in while covering up old stains and marks. This simple step gives the entire basement a clean, uniform look from top to bottom. Now here's the best part. There's no need for drywall in a basement that can trap moisture and cause mildew. Our cement wall finishing method solves that problem completely, giving you flat, durable walls that stay clean and dry for years. If you've enjoyed watching this basement transformation, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps support the channel and lets us know you want to see more. And don't forget to subscribe to Dependable Concrete. We share real basement makeovers and tips to convert your basement from a dungeon to a bright, clean, dust-free space.